Driving school on Rogers Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. This is Benny with Pierre Driving School. We're doing a few lessons here on driving school on Rogers Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. If you live in that area, we'll be more than happy to help. Watch a few left and right here, okay? Now, you cannot be on the bus lane during these hours in Brooklyn, all right? So you have to walk within the hours of the bus time. Otherwise, you'll be getting the tickets from the city. The city will send you a ticket themselves, and this is what you have to order, all right? You keep to your left lane. Although, for the purpose of the road test, student must always be on the right side, but not at this case. In this case, you have to stay on the side that you're allowed to drive. Mirror right, shoulder right. Each time we're going over, we verify the mirrors and shoulder before going over, okay? So, coming back here, ladder car park to my right side, gonna signal to my right, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it over, and come back the same way, all right? And I'm driving here, I'm forward planning all my moves, looking all ahead to see what's going on, and you're adjusting yourself accordingly. When you come to a stop, you make sure you can see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground, all right? This is Benny with Pierre Driving School. This lesson is driving school on Rogers Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, all right? So traffic is moving slow. Now, cars are started going to your right side. You cannot be on the right lane for whatsoever unless you're making a right turn at this traffic light here. If that's not the case, you need to stay in your lane and deal with the traffic, all right? So, these are things that we have to pay attention of when we're driving here in New York City, and also when you do driving lesson. Although student must always be on the right side, but not in all instances, because in this instance, you will be asked to keep on the left side because the right side is designated for bus only, but for the city line this time of day, all right? So both ends on this steering wheel, always check your mirrors and shoulders before completely engage with the acceleration, because you do not want to accelerate too heavy, nor driving abruptly, all right? And before fully engage with the acceleration, you see, I'm squeezing both lanes, see what's going on, if anybody not squeezing in. You get that a lot here in Brooklyn, all right? This guy here, I'm gonna tilt to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, bring it back. Forward planning all the moves. I'm watching all the traffic here. Now I'm gonna have to go over the right lane, mirror right, shoulder right. I'm gonna sneak in because of the car that parked to my left side, and I'm gonna start coming back again, all right? Good. Coming back here, good. All right, folks, pay good attention here. This is the thing that you're gonna be encounter driving by yourself here when you start driving by yourself, because the real lesson really starts the minute that you pass your road test, because there will be your road test, because there will be you only that will be making those moves, all right? Signal to my right, mirror right, shoulder right, and also pay attention to the traffic light here begin to turn, all right? Signal back left, because you do not want to get caught on the backs, all right? You're not going to get caught at the intersection. You have to make sure that you're clear before going over, all right? This lesson is driving school on Rogers Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. We cover those areas as well. If you do want us to help you with anything, put in the comment below. We can definitely help. If you want to check the website, pierrepauldraiving.com. If you've done your road test already, where did you do your road test and how many times did you take the test? If you have not yet done your road test, you have a road test coming up, where would it be? All right? So we can see if we do really have a video for that or not. We will do a video to cover that. Now, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so, and also like this video so we can help us spread the word. If you have any family or friends that can benefit from this video, share it with them, because giving a person a possibility to get the license here in the US is a big way of enhancing their life one way or another, because the license can give you a better life whether you want to accept it or not, all right? So traffic is moving on my right side, which is dead one. Okay, I'm looking ahead to see if I have enough room to go ahead. Do I have enough room? Yes, because the other light turned green and they started moving. I'm moving right along with them. I'm gonna signal my attention, mirror right, shoulder right, because I'm gonna tilt to the right. Whatever you do, contrary from going straight for the purpose of the road test, you have to signal all your attention. In reality, it may not be the same, because reality is different. See, now I'm all up in the turn line, in the bus line, because I have no other choice, because the traffic ahead of me is black in the left side, all right? You can do that, but quick, you have to get back onto your regular lane before you get a ticket sent to you from the city, because they will not miss you on that one, all right? So keep it going here. Traffic is moving along, all right? Signal my attention, mirror right, shoulder right, and come right back to my lane, mirror left, shoulder left, okay? Keeping it straight here, folks. This is a driving lesson in Rogers Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, Rogers Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. We cover those areas as well. Signal to my right, mirror right, shoulder right, bring it all the way over. pass everybody. Okay, signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, and come back, guys. If you guys notice, signal all your attention. Okay, whatever you do, contrary from going straight, signal all your attention. All right, folks, these are the level they want us to deliver as we're taking the road test, and that's exactly what we will do. All right, remember, it's not about driving, it's how they want you and I to drive to pass the test. The minute that we understand that, it changes everything. All right, yellow light is not for student. When I stop, I want to, okay, for the purpose of the road test, you never want to get onto the yellow line, otherwise it will be problem for you at the test. You've always making sure that you're forward planning all your moves, so when they tell you something to do, so you don't have to make any abrupt braking. All right, everything is 10 minutes. Within that 10 minutes, you have to deliver to the best of your ability, because otherwise you have to keep the road test over and over and over again. All right, anything you want me to cover with driving related, please feel free, put in the comment below. Most of our topic coming from you guys, the thing that you want us to do, because in the end, it's all about you. We're doing this to make sure that we give you the comfortability, the tips to your fingertips, so whenever you're ready to wash anything with driving related, you can hop to this channel. This channel is all about driving, everything there for you to do as a new driver, as an advanced driver, intermediate driver, to get you brushing up on your skills so you can be more frequent on your driving skills. Okay, just been here with Pierre driving. Just been here with Pierre driving. So I see traffic is moving slow. Why? Okay, mirror right, shoulder right. I'm gonna go around. There should be any reason for this guy to move slow, because there's nothing ahead of this guy. Then coming back to my lane, mirror left, shoulder left. I'm paying attention to my left side. See how much I already glanced to my right side? Okay, folks, these are the level we need to deliver here. Okay, at the light coming up here, we're making a right turn. I'm gonna signal my turn. Oh, shoot, you see? My right traffic is coming too heavy. Guess what, guys? I'm making a left turn because my right traffic is coming too heavy. Mirror left, shoulder left, okay? But I wanted to go to the right. But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead over here, do a U-turn and come back around. Do a K-turn, another word, and come back around, okay? Until then, folks, keep practicing. Just been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye. Let me do this K-turn with you guys together. Okay, we're gonna do a K-turn here with you guys together here. Waiting for the traffic to clear. Is no rush. Okay, not going nowhere. Traffic on my left side is not clear yet. Whenever you're doing your road test, it's all about clearance. Okay, all about clearance. Okay, good here. There we go. All right, coming up to the middle and to reverse, roll it back, looking back, mirror left cannot pass the yellow, and to drive, traffic is clear, both direction, keeping it going here. All right, folks, there you have it. Okay, that was a Brooklyn K-turn 3.10. That lesson was driving school on Rogers Avenue. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now, bye. Take care now, guys. Bye-bye. Like, share, and subscribe. Share the video to anybody that you think can maybe benefit from it, because helping a person to get the license, that's the best thing you can do for them, because one way or another, that will enhance their life. Okay, folks? If you need help in the Brooklyn area, feel free to check pierredriving.com. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.